In today's video, Carwens has prepared a list of the most innovative vehicles to date, which fly higher, drive faster, and some are even resistant to missiles. Carwens has put all of this into one tier list, which is based purely on his subjective opinion. You can write yours in the comments as well as like it and something else, and we'll get started. XPeng Aerojet, a subsidiary of XPeng Motors, is developing the X2, an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) flying car designed to solve urban transportation problems. The two-seater is equipped with 8 rotors and an all-electric power system, making it environmentally friendly and quiet. The X2 can fly to an altitude of 1,000 meters and reach speeds of up to 130 kilometers per h. Key features include autopilot, navigation, and collision avoidance systems, allowing safe pilotless operation. XPeng Aerojet is actively cooperating with regulators for certification and safe operation, seeing the future in the mass use of air taxis that integrate into urban infrastructure. These vehicles will solve traffic jams and reduce travel times, offering innovative and eco-friendly solutions for urban transportation. XPeng aims to create an entire ecosystem of flying vehicles, providing safe, fast, and environmentally friendly air travel. Collaboration with leading tech and aviation companies helps integrate cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence and autonomous systems, making flying cars safer and more convenient for use in urban environments. Simply put, the dream of riding a flying car, like in The Fifth Element, will soon come true. Of course, such a bomb on fans deserves to get into the SES shooting range only. The Japanese Shinkansen Maglev is a high-speed train that uses magnetic levitation technology, Maglev, designed for ultra-fast long-distance travel. Unlike traditional trains, the Maglev does not use wheels, but floats above the rails using magnetic fields, which significantly reduces friction and allows for record speeds. In 2015, the Japanese Maglev reached a speed of 603 kilometers per h, making it the fastest train in the world. The Shinkansen Maglev is designed to connect Tokyo and Nagoya, reducing travel time from 90 to 40 minutes, with plans to extend to Osaka in the future. The train operates on the basis of electromagnetic suspension, EMS, where powerful magnets installed in the rails and on the train create levitation and propel the train. In addition to speed, the Maglev is characterized by a smooth ride, low noise levels, and high energy efficiency. The main goal of the project is to ease congestion in Japan's transport system, speed up interregional travel, and make it more environmentally friendly. Commercial use of the Maglev is planned for 2027, and it will become part of Japan's Shinkansen high-speed train network, symbolizing a new generation of technology in Japan's transport infrastructure. I don't like its appearance at all, its associations with Windows XP, but it's fast, so let's put it in S. Marvin Heemeyer became famous for an incident that occurred on June 4, 2004, in Granby, Colorado. Heemeyer, a welder and auto repair shop owner, modified his Komatsu D355A bulldozer into a Killdozer, an armored vehicle capable of destroying buildings. His actions were prompted by a years-long standoff with local government and businesses after a cement factory was built next to his shop, restricting access to his property. Heemeyer felt that his appeals and protests were ignored by authorities. For months, Marvin had been preparing for his act of vengeance. He had outfitted the bulldozer with homemade armor made of steel plates and concrete, making it virtually impervious to bullets and explosions. Inside the machine, video cameras with monitors were installed for control, as the windows were covered with armor. He also equipped the bulldozer with weapons, including shotguns and rifles, although he used them only minimally. On the day of the attack, Heemeyer climbed into his armored bulldozer and began destroying buildings associated with those he held responsible for his problems: City Hall, a bank, city officials' homes, a factory, and other sites. He destroyed more than 13 buildings, causing millions of dollars in damage. Police tried a variety of methods to stop Heemeyer, including shooting, using heavy equipment, and even explosives, but none of these were effective due to the heavy armor. Heemeyer continued to destroy the city for about 2 hours until his bulldozer became stuck, destroying a store. Realizing that his plan was complete, he committed suicide inside the car with a gunshot. No one other than Hypercar himself died in the incident. Killdozer turned out to be too tough even for the authorities, so Tier A. The Bugatti Tourbillon is an exclusive hypercar designed to showcase the highest standards of engineering and luxury. This car is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine that produces around 1,600 GP, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.4 seconds. Its top speed reaches 420 km/h, making it one of the fastest hypercars in the world. The design of the car is characterized by smooth lines, the signature horseshoe grille, and aerodynamic elements that improve performance at high speeds. The Bugatti Tourbillon is also equipped with active aerodynamics, including an adjustable rear wing and adaptive suspension, which allows the car to remain stable, even at extreme speeds. The interior uses the most premium materials such as genuine leather, carbon fiber, and polished aluminum, creating an atmosphere of high class and comfort. Innovative technologies, such as an advanced multimedia system and modern safety systems, make driving a car not only exciting, but also safe. The Bugatti Tourbillon is a car for those who appreciate exceptional quality, engineering precision, and want to own not just a vehicle, but a work of art. This hypercar symbolizes the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship and is one of the most exclusive cars available in the world, produced in a limited edition. I don't like its design at all. The Tesla Cybertruck is an electric SUV developed by Tesla, known for its futuristic design and rugged construction. The car's body is made of ultra-strong, cold-rolled stainless steel alloy, making it extremely resistant to impacts and even gunshots. Recently, videos and reports of tests have surfaced online in which the Cybertruck's body allegedly withstood gunfire. This incredible resistance has sparked interest and concerns from authorities. Government agencies have reportedly expressed concerns that the vehicle could be used for illegal purposes, as it is difficult to stop even when shot at. The vehicle's ability to withstand gunfire adds a new level of safety for owners, but raises questions about its regulation and potential threat to public safety. However, Tesla emphasizes that the Cybertruck is designed to protect and keep drivers safe in extreme conditions. The Cybertruck is currently undergoing extensive testing ahead of its launch, and this incident has drawn attention to its innovative features and the potential implications of using such armored vehicles in everyday life. It can be useful for criminals in various attacks. It is not. Cool, and I'll put it in S. Thanks for watching. Please leave comments about tier list, whether you liked everything or not.